Hi everyone. In this video, I will introduce you to R language and its applications in MIS reports with a special focus on its relevance for professionals working in back office, finance, and other fields dealing with larger datasets. R is a powerful programming language and software environment for statistical computing and graphics. It has gained immense popularity due to its versatility and extensive range of packages for data manipulation, visualization, and statistical analysis. In back office and finance sectors, working with large datasets is a common requirement. R language can significantly enhance your capabilities in handling and analyzing such data, enabling you to extract valuable insights efficiently. Now, let us dive into the main areas where R excels and its applications for professionals like you. The first step in any MIS report generation is importing and cleaning the data. R language offers a wide range of functions and libraries to read data from various file formats such as CSV, Excel, and databases, and so on. You can easily handle missing values, outliers, and any other discrepancies in your data sets by using R's powerful data cleaning techniques. This will ensure that your data set is in a suitable format for further analysis. Once your data is clean, R provides a rich set of tools for data manipulation. You can easily perform the activities like filtering, sorting, aggregating, and summarizing data. Another key advantage of R is its ability to automate tasks and improve efficiency. You can write reusable code snippets, create functions, and apply them to automate your repetitive data analysis tasks. With R language, you can save a significant time and effort, especially when you are working with large datasets that require repetitive calculations or analysis. In conclusion, R is a versatile programming language that empowers the professionals in back office, finance, and related fields to efficiently handle and analyze the larger datasets. Thank you for watching this introduction to R and its applications in MIS reports. I hope you are excited to explore the endless possibilities that R offers. If you have any question or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. Stay tuned for more valuable content.